10 natural foods that help eliminate intestinal parasites. Garlic, Allium sativum. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound with potent anthelmintic, antiparasitic properties. Allicin disrupts the metabolism of parasites by interfering with their enzyme activity, leading to their death. Garlic is effective against Giardia lamblia and Ascaris lumbricoides, improving gut health and boosting immunity to prevent reinfections. Consume raw garlic cloves daily, or mix crushed garlic with honey for better tolerance. Pumpkin seeds, Cucurbita pepo, rich in cucurbitacin. Pumpkin seeds paralyze intestinal worms, making it easier for the body to expel them during bowel movements. Effective against tapeworms, Taenia spp, and roundworms. Pumpkin seeds also provide essential zinc, aiding immune function. Grind raw seeds into a powder and mix with water or milk for consumption. Papaya seeds, Carica papaya. Papaya seeds contain papain, a proteolytic enzyme that breaks down the proteins in parasite exoskeletons, effectively killing them. Studies show significant efficacy against helminths like Ascaris and Trichuris species. Consume dried and ground seeds with honey or as part of a smoothie. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Curcumin disrupts the cell membranes of parasites. Turmeric is especially effective against Giardia infections and enhances gut lining health. Incorporate turmeric powder into meals, or drink turmeric tea with black pepper to enhance absorption. Cloves, Syzygium aromaticum. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a bioactive compound with broad-spectrum antiparasitic properties. Eugenol destroys parasitic eggs and inhibits their replication. Effective against protozoa and nematodes. Cloves also combat fungal infections, which are common in parasite-related dysbiosis. Boil cloves in water to make tea or add clove oil to herbal remedies. Coconut oil and coconut water, Cocos nacifera. Medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil, particularly lauric acid, disrupt the lipid membranes of parasites, causing their death. Coconut oil is effective against Blastocystis hominis and other protozoan infections, while coconut water aids in hydration and recovery. Consume raw coconut oil or drink coconut water regularly. Oregano oil, Origanum vulgar. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds that inhibit the growth and replication of intestinal parasites, highly effective against Cryptosporidium and Giardia. Oregano oil also reduces gut inflammation caused by parasites. Dilute a few drops in water and consume daily under medical supervision. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Ginger stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, creating an environment hostile to parasites. It also enhances gut motility, aiding in parasite expulsion. Ginger is effective in reducing symptoms of parasite-induced nausea and improving digestion. Consume ginger tea or raw ginger slices before meals. Neem leaves, Azadirachta indica. Neem contains azadirachtin and nimbin, which interfere with parasite reproduction and damage their structural integrity. Neem is especially effective against roundworms and hookworms, providing an immune-boosting effect. Prepare neem leaf tea, or consume powdered neem leaves with honey. Pineapple, Ananas comosus. Bromelain, an enzyme in pineapple, digests parasitic proteins and aids in their removal from the gastrointestinal tract. Pineapple is particularly effective against tapeworms and reduces inflammation caused by parasitic activity. Consume fresh pineapple or drink its juice daily. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and prioritize your gut health. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay healthy and see you in the next one.